How to share Temu link with friends. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this you will have to open up your Temu app, then click on this option of You. After that you need to scroll down and over here you will find the option of earn credits and free gifts. In case if you are not showing this particular option, then you can simply click on this option of settings and then make sure that you click on this option of country and region. And over here you need to select United States. After that restart your application and then you will be able to find this option of earn credits and free gifts. Just select it and then participate in any of the game that you want to play. Suppose I start this one. Then over here you will find the option of refer friends to spin again. So just click on it. And after that you can simply click on this option of copy link and share it up with your friends, and that's how easy it is to share your link with friends. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.